My name is Souhail Bou Melhem. I'm a designer and I am an architecture graduate. I developed a passion for metals, metal casting specifically. And from then we started our studio and now we specialize in metal casting and metal fabrication. We're showcasing our project, the sculptures of Jeddah. They are souvenirs, replicas of the roundabouts, the famous sculptures that are around Jeddah. We did a project with the Biennale. We did a collaboration where we did a replica of the Hajj Terminal canopies designed by SOM to commemorate the area that the Biennale is hosted in. What inspired the project is nostalgia. When I returned here from my studies, I saw a lot of the old buildings that I used to see around the city, the old neighborhoods. A lot of these things were demolished to make way for development, and it sparked an interest in me to preserve some of these old beautiful structures. A big aspect for the Sculptures of Jeddah project, I wanted them to come with an educational aspect. And so, for example, we have inside every packaging a leaflet which has some information about it and some information about the artist that made the original work to get people to learn about the history of these unique aspects of our city.